Range Rover in today for MetaTrak immobilizer. So we get in the car, try to start the car. As you can see, foot's on the brake, it won't start. This is a MetaTrak immobilizer. You need a key fob to start the vehicle. As you know, Range Rovers are increased in theft recently as well, and people are struggling to get insured on them. These are insurance approved as well, so it'll bring your premium down. And yeah, so now you get 2 fobs with this as well. So we'll try to start the vehicle now. As you can see, it's all started. These start from £400 supply and free on any vehicle. If you're interested in something like this, guys, give us a call on 07939 360 972.